Here are the 20 lesser-known facts about Ford Maverick 2025. Trucks are getting ridiculously expensive these days. But what if I told you there's one that's affordable, fuel-efficient, and packed with features that'll blow your mind? Meet the 2025 Ford Maverick, the compact truck that punches way above its weight. Stick around as we count down 20 amazing facts that make this truck a total game changer. Welcome to my channel Auto Mystic, where we uncover lesser-known facts about cars. Therefore, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss anything. Let's dive in. Fact number 1, the price that makes you say, wait, that's it? In a world where trucks are getting as expensive as starter homes, the 2025 Ford Maverick is that rare gem that doesn't drain your bank account. Seriously, while other trucks are out here charging Tesla money, the Maverick keeps it real with an affordable price tag. It's like finding a 5-star meal at fast food prices. Except this meal comes with wheels and a hybrid engine. Fact number 2, hybrid as standard. Say goodbye to wallet-crushing gas bills. A truck that sips fuel instead of guzzling it like a frat boy on spring break? Yes, please. The Maverick comes standard with a hybrid engine, meaning you can enjoy over 40 mpg in the city, which, let's be real, is better than some tiny economy cars. Imagine rolling up to a gas station just to grab a snack while watching F-150 owners weep over $100 fill-ups. Fact number 3, need more power? The turbocharged option has you covered. For those who want a little extra room in their life, the 2.0L EcoBoost engine brings a spicy 250 horsepower to the table. That means more speed, more fun, and way fewer hurry up, dude honks from impatient drivers behind you. Whether you're merging onto the highway or proving to your friend that your little truck can actually move, this engine makes sure you get the job done. Fact number 4, small truck, big personality. Parking has never been this easy. Ever tried squeezing a full-size truck into a city parking spot? It's like playing Tetris on expert mode, except the consequences are real dense and a lifetime of regret. The Maverick, on the other hand, is small enough to park like an SUV, but big enough to handle serious work. It's like a golden retriever, friendly, capable, and won't ruin your driveway. Fact number 5, tows more than you'd expect, and does it like a boss. Just because the Maverick is compact doesn't mean it's weak. With the 2.0L EcoBoost engine and the 4K tow package, this truck tows up to 4,000 pounds. That's enough to haul a small boat, a couple of ATVs, or that impulsive furniture buy from IKEA that you swore would fit in your sedan. Spoiler, it wouldn't. Fact number 6, and 13-inch touchscreen that won't make you rage click. Ford's Sync 4 system comes with a 13-inch touchscreen, and guess what? It actually works well. Unlike those ancient infotainment systems that lag worse than bad Wi-Fi, this one is snappy, intuitive, and packed with goodies like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more fighting with your phone's Bluetooth, like it's a toxic ex. Fact number 7, wireless charging and enough USB ports for the whole crew. Ever fought over a charger on a road trip? The Maverick makes sure everyone stays juiced up with wireless charging and extra USB-C ports. Now your passengers can stop giving you side-eye when their phone hits 1% and just enjoy the ride. Fact number 8, the Flexbed DIY dream or tailgating legend. You decide. Ford basically gave the Maverick's truck bed a Swiss Army knife upgrade. The Flexbed system lets you customize storage with built-in slots for bike racks, dividers, and even coolers. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just flexing on your neighbors, this bed has you covered. Fact number 9, secret storage under the seats. Because clutter is the enemy. Tired of your truck's interior looking like a garage sale gone wrong? The underseat storage compartments in the Maverick let you stash tools, groceries, gym gear, and whatever else you don't want rolling around like a loose bowling ball. Fact number 10, all-wheel drive. Because sometimes life gets slippery. Whether it's rain, snow, or an unexpected dirt road that your GPS didn't warn you about, the AWD option gives you extra grip and confidence. No more white-knuckle driving while questioning all your life choices. Fact number 11, FX4 off-road package. When you feel like going full send. If you ever wake up and think, I should drive up that mountain today, then the FX4 off-road package is for you. With skid plates, upgraded suspension, all-terrain tire, and extra drive modes, this package lets you live out your adventure truck dreams. Fact number 12, more space than you'd expect, like a truck with a TARDIS. At first glance, the Maverick looks compact, but step inside and boom, plenty of headroom and legroom for 5 people. Unlike some compact vehicles that leave you with zero knee space, this truck actually lets adults sit comfortably. Fact number 13, safety tech that's actually useful and not just annoying beeps. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision assist. In other words, your Maverick has your back, whether it's keeping you in your lane or warning you about that driver who thinks turn signals are optional. Fact number 14, Tremor Edition. Because some people just need a tougher look. Want your Maverick to look like it eats boulders for breakfast? The Tremor Edition adds a rugged grille skid plates, and a twin-clutch AWD system for peak off-road dominance. Basically, if your truck had an action movie alter ego, this would be it. Fact number 15, better MPG than some sedans. Truck guys are jealous. Let's be honest, most trucks are gas-guzzling monsters, but the Maverick gets over 40 mpg with its hybrid system. That means more road trips, fewer gas station stops, and extra cash for tacos. Fact number 16, customization for days. 3D print your own accessories. Ford made the Maverick DIY friendly, so you can customize it with cargo solutions, bed accessories, and even 3D printed add-ons. If you love modding your ride, this truck was built for you. Fact number 17, better resale value than your last relationship. Because compact trucks are in insanely high demand, the Maverick holds its resale value better than your college car ever did. Buy one now, and it'll still be worth a solid chunk of change later. Fact number 18, bold colors that'll make you stand out. Want a truck that isn't just gray, black, or silver? The Maverick's new colors like Cactus Gray, Cyber Orange, and Atlas Blue make sure you turn heads wherever you go. Fact number 19, a tailgate that adapts to your needs. The multi-position tailgate isn't just for show. It lets you haul longer items like plywood, surfboards, or your friend's terrible furniture choices without a problem. Fact number 20, it's just plain fun to drive. Tight steering, quick acceleration, and a low stance that makes it feel more like an SUV. The Maverick is a blast to drive, even if you're just running errands. And there you have it, 20 reasons why the 2025 Ford Maverick is shaking up the truck world. Whether it's a hybrid efficiency, smart tech, or surprising capability, this little beast is proving that bigger isn't always better. What's your favorite feature? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more automotive content. See you in the next one.